How can you help your customers achieve better comfort and energy efficiency? Is it too expensive? Too complicated? There is an affordable, easy-to-use solution. It's Tracer Concierge from Train. From the intuitive touchscreen interface, your customers can set schedules, manage zones, change set points, and control lighting or other building equipment. Concierge comes with a mobile app, so they can manage their building from anywhere. And it's easy for you to set up. Tracer Concierge comes with a step-by-step installation wizard right there on the interface that helps you get up and running quickly. Concierge works with Train's AirFi wireless technology, so you'll pull fewer wires. It also works with Train's variable speed zoning technology, so you can give your customers more zones of comfort. And whether you have a constant volume system or a more complex variable air volume setup, Concierge makes controlling it simple. Servicing is easier too. With remote access, you can diagnose and fix some issues without ever sending a truck. With Concierge, you can offer your customers a better solution for comfort and energy efficiency without all the complication. Easy for customers, easy for you. That's Tracer Concierge from Train. It's Train and simple.